When Apple first introduced the MacBook Air line powered by custom silicon, it completely flipped the personal computer industry on its head. Suddenly, a laptop could be razor-thin, completely silent with zero fans, and still deliver all-day battery life that humiliated heavy, loud Windows competitors. Millions of students, writers, travelers, and everyday professionals adopted it as the ultimate daily driver. But as software gets heavier, local artificial intelligence models demand more resources, and users push their machines further than ever. Everyone is asking, what comes next? Behind the locked doors of Apple Park, engineering teams have been quietly developing the next monumental leap for the world's most popular laptop. Confidential supply chain manifests, internal hardware roadmaps, and next-generation silicon blueprints confirm that Apple is preparing to unleash the absolute powerhouse of the future, the MacBook Air M6. To understand why this upcoming machine is generating an absolute frenzy across the tech community, you have to look at the massive architectural shift happening inside Apple's processor pipeline. While previous generations focused primarily on incremental speed boosts and basic efficiency gains, the M6 generation is engineered from the ground up to solve the most demanding computational challenge of modern computing: local, on-device artificial intelligence and hyper-efficient multi-chip packaging. Industry supply chain reports indicate that Apple is pushing aggressively toward advanced manufacturing nodes and sophisticated wafer-level multi-chip module packaging. This means that the CPU, graphics core, unified memory architecture, and the upgraded neural engine are being woven together with tighter integration than ever before. For the everyday user, this architectural evolution translates to performance that feels borderline futuristic in a fanless machine. Imagine opening dozens of heavy browser tabs, rendering complex 4K video timelines, running local large language models for instant offline data analysis, and multitasking across professional creative apps, all while your laptop remains completely silent and cool to the touch. The graphics architecture inside the M6 chip is rumored to feature enhanced ray tracing and dynamic caching optimizations traditionally reserved for pro-tier machines. This means casual gaming on a MacBook Air is no longer a compromise. Modern AAA game titles will run smoothly with gorgeous lighting effects and stable frame rates, all inside a chassis less than half an inch thick. Beyond raw silicon power, the internal memory and storage configurations are getting a much-needed overhaul to meet the demands of modern software. Global component supply shifts and rising data demands mean Apple is optimizing the base memory pipeline. Rumors point to 16 GB of high-speed unified memory as the baseline standard, ensuring that even entry-level buyers have the headroom required for heavy multitasking and local AI processing. Combined with blazing fast solid-state storage read and write speeds, file transfers, app launches, and heavy project loading happen in the blink of an eye. When it comes to the physical design, Apple is sticking to the refined, ultra-portable identity that made the modern MacBook Air form factor a global icon, while making subtle, highly strategic refinements. Available in both the iconic 13-inch and the expansive 15-inch sizes, the chassis is crafted from rugged, recycled structural aluminum. It retains the sleek, wedge-free uniform profile, MagSafe magnetic charging, lightning-fast Thunderbolt ports, and a glorious liquid retina display that pops with vibrant colors, deep contrast, and massive brightness levels. The keyboard remains a tactile joy to type on for hours, flanked by a massive, hyper-responsive Force Touch trackpad and backed by a high-fidelity spatial audio speaker system built seamlessly into the hinge. One of the most astonishing breakthroughs of the M6 generation lies in pure battery endurance. Because the M6 silicon architecture drastically cuts down power consumption under active workloads, real-world battery efficiency is projected to jump by up to 30%. What does that mean for your daily life? It means you can leave your charger at home, head out for a full day of work, travel across continents, and still have battery percentage to spare by the time you get back to your hotel room. It redefines true mobile freedom for digital nomads and students who refuse to be tethered to a wall outlet. As industry insiders and analysts map out Apple's hardware timeline, the launch window for the MacBook Air M6 is locked onto an early spring release. Pricing is anticipated to start around $1,200 to $1,300 for the 13-inch model, scaling up for the 15-inch configuration depending on memory and storage tiers. While component market shifts and advanced packaging costs mean premium pricing, the value proposition of owning a fanless, whisper-quiet computer with pro-level capabilities remains unmatched. For anyone holding onto an older Intel-based Mac or an early-generation Apple Silicon machine, the MacBook Air M6 represents the absolute ultimate sweet spot between portability, intelligence, and raw performance. When Apple officially lifts the veil on this incredible machine, the standard for what a lightweight laptop can achieve will be rewritten once again.